Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Redmi 10. Okay, first of all, let me tell you whatever language you have on your phone with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you right now will be always the same. Okay, so first of all, we will need the app settings. So basically it is on the second page here on that position. It has this symbol here, maybe if your phone is organized already, maybe it's on another position, but basically it should be here at the very first position on the second page. So have a look for that symbol. So if you have found it, just tap on the symbol for the settings. So then you need to scroll down to the point additional settings. So it have a gray icon here with 3 points in it. So these are the additional settings. Tap it. And now we will need the second point, language and input. So tap on the second point now. So and now we will need the first point, languages. Okay. So, and now you can choose the language you want to have. There are many opportunities. Let's continue in English, and also you can choose often a dialect here, as you can see with the English language. So let's keep going on with English from India maybe. Just that you can follow my instructions here. And now everything is in English now with the dialect of India. Okay, yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.